city vibes, and affordability, Gijón in northern Spain might be just what you need. Located in Asturias, this vibrant city sits right on the Bay of Biscay, offering wide beaches, green mountains, and a laid-back lifestyle without the high costs of bigger Spanish cities. Rent in Gijón is very reasonable. A room in a shared apartment typically costs around 250 to 350 euros per month. A private one-bedroom flat can range from 450 to 600 euros, depending on the area. Neighborhoods like El Llano or La Calzada offer good prices and local charm. Groceries are budget-friendly. Shopping at supermarkets like Almerca, Lidl, or Mercadona, and combining it with local markets, you can expect to spend between 130 and 180 euros per month on food if you cook at home and eat out occasionally. Public transport is reliable and affordable. Gijón has a solid bus network, and a monthly bus card costs around 35 euros. The city is also walkable and bike-friendly, so if you stay close to the center, you might barely need transport costs at all. Utilities and internet are moderate. Monthly bills for electricity, water, and high-speed internet average between 80 and 110 euros depending on your usage and apartment size. Asturias has a mild, rainy climate, so heating might be necessary in winter, but there's no need for air conditioning in summer. Gijón is a great choice for students, digital nomads, and anyone who wants to enjoy a high quality of life in Spain without breaking the bank. The city is alive with culture, festivals, museums, cider bars, and beautiful seaside walks. It also has easy access to nature, hiking trails, and quick train links to Oviedo or other nearby towns. Let's summarize the average monthly budget. Rent, 250 to 600 euros. Groceries, 130 to 180 euros. Transport, 0 to 35 euros. Utilities and internet, 80 to 110 euros. That brings your total monthly cost to somewhere between 540 and 925 euros. Gijón proves that you don't have to give up the beach, the city, or your wallet. It's one of the most livable coastal cities in Spain for anyone on a budget.